Rather than peeling and cutting raw beets, if you have an InstantPot, take your beets, put them in there for 15 minutes with a cup of water, and the skin just peels right off and makes it easier to cut too. If you have a peeler, it'll peel off even faster, and that's going to save a lot of prep time. Here's what it looks like peeled and cut up. And here's the InstantPot. I have a link in the description. If you liked what you saw and want to support us, check out our Google Chrome extension, Mac OS, and iOS app called Sort by Review Count for Amazon. I use it during my Amazon purchases and would recommend it. For the Google Chrome version, just go to Google and type in Sort by Review Count. There you can select the Chrome extension and add to Chrome. It's a quick download. Once you're there, you'll get a notification that it's been added to Chrome. Click on that puzzle piece in the top right-hand corner. There you'll get the option to pay now. And you can enter in your email and card information. Once that information is entered in, you're able to use the extension. To use the extension, just go to Amazon, type in the product you want, like an office chair. Make sure you're in a specific department, like office chairs on the left, or home office desk chairs. And then click the blue Sort by Review Count button at the top, and it'll be able to sort. This has helped me with a lot of Amazon purchases because usually there's a bunch of sponsored results at the top or results with low amount of users that Amazon's still recommending because they're paying Amazon. On your Mac or your iPhone, all you need to do is go to the App Store and type in Sort by Review Count, and you can purchase it that way. Once you're able to open it, you will get a notification that the extension's on, and you can turn it off in the extension section of the Safari settings. Now it's installed in Safari, as you can see by that icon, and you can search for whatever you want. Let's just do office chair again. Click on the department you want on the left, such as office chairs, and then you're going to see that same button that's in the Chrome version. Click on that, and there you have it. It's all sorted. We recommend you give the Chrome extension or iOS version a try.